E hara I te mea māma te kimi whare mō ngā tāngata kainga kore.
I was homeless with my 2 children, had to say I was living in my car. They won't even, give you a house when you say, I'm practically in the gutter, man.
Aha koa I te noho a kino hanti tōna kainga mō ngā tau e 32, e mōhio ana ia ki te oranga kainga kore.
No, I was with an organisation and trying to house me faster, and I'd ring them every day, to see if they'd had got a house for me, but yeah, it took a while. 6 months.
Neke atu I te 2,000 ngā tāngata e tino kainga kore ana mō te whare noho I Ōtautahi. I mahia John Hayes mō te kaunihera o Waitaha I ngā tau e 25, engari I muri I tōna haerenga ki tā wāhi, he tangata kainga kore ia.
I had a flat. I got behind in my rent through my own stupidity. The end result was I ended up out here. My neck warmer, and that's brilliant. And who did I get that from? The mission here in Christchurch. There was a time where the City Council got together with some of the organisations here in town, and we took all of the homeless people, put them into homes, fully furnished homes, and made sure they had somewhere to stay. And then the next day, they were back out on the street. Why? Because that's where their family was, where their friends were. Putting them in a house isolated them. So they didn't like it.
E ai ki te minita o te whare noho a tamapotaka, ka whakakore a te whare noho ai tua ki ngā mōtera me ngā hōtera a te mutunga o te tau. Tainoa mai ki tēnei wā, kua whakaiti hia te nama o ngā wāhi noho ai tua mā te 75 pai heneti mai te tau 2021.
Ka nui hoki ngā wero mānuka takoto, ki mua I te arawaro me tō mātou aki, noho tahi, mahi tahi, me rā momo kaunihera, kia kite hoki I nei tangata e noho kāinga kore ana, te uru atu ki roto I te whare, haunga ko te motera me te hōtera.
Where the community is directly involved and they can take leadership along with the government, then actually what happens is you build communities.
Engari ko tā hunt, e hara tēnei te mahi mo te kāwanatanga anake.
Ask the people. It's them. It's about them.
You can't throw a blanket over the lot of this and go, this is the problem, we'll fix this problem, there'll be no more. No, you can't do it that way. It's got to be done on an individual basis and deal with their individual problems.
Aha koe e ngana ana te minita ki te whakatika I te take whare noho, he roa tonu te huarahi kei mua I te aroaro. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.